Hello, another quick video. I know that a lot of you have received credit from Facebook in order to convert your shops and have the checkout into your Facebook shops. Of course, we know that Facebook wants to do that because of the iOS changes and because they're losing data, so they try to make more and more people to actually convert into the Facebook shops. This is the reason that it's giving credit so that you can make your shops have a checkout page, and a lot of you receive the credit. But in order for you to be able to use a credit, you need to run ads for your shops and not for your e-commerce stores. So that means that you need to do the ads in a different way, and a lot of people ask me they don't know how to do it, so I'm going to show you today. If we go from your menu to your commerce manager, click on it. And then over here, you're going to be able to see the store that you have for your ad account and for your business. When you click on it, you will be able to go to the ads over here, and then it's going to give you the option to actually create an ad. Now, as you can see, you're having only two options. You're having traffic ads and dynamic ads. Dynamic ads means catalogs ads, which means that you need to have a catalog in order to run the ads. There are no other ways right now to run ads for your shop, like conversion ads, for instance. So in order for you to do it and actually use the credit that Facebook is giving you, you're going to do either traffic ads or dynamic ads. As soon as you do that and you press, for example, traffic ads and you press create ad, it's going to be exactly like the other campaigns that you are running with traffic ads. It's exactly the same process. It's just going to help you send the traffic to your shop, because if you do conversion ads or traffic ads from the ads manager, you won't be able to actually have a solid link for your shop. So in that case, it's working like this, and everything after that is the same. You just do your settings the same way that we're doing ads, and it's going to work flawlessly, and you will be able to actually use your credit. Something else that I forgot to say is that don't try to do traffic ads because they fail miserably. Like when you do traffic ads in order to get sales into your actual store, you're not getting good results. The same happens here. So the only solution for you is to actually do dynamic ads with your catalog, which is going to be the only ones that are going to bring you sales. And this is what you should definitely do if you want to use your credit in the best possible way. And when you're doing the dynamic ads, they're working exactly the same way like they're working when you do them on the ads manager. So the settings are going to be the same, everything is the same. Just the way that you're going to create your initial campaign is different. You have to go through the e-commerce manager. Other than that, after you create it, you will be able to see it, optimize it, do whatever you want with your campaign to your ads manager, like it's happening with the boosted posts, for instance. I will see you in a future video.